Maxi Fred. So probably you clicked on this video so you can learn how to make money online as a college student or a high school student. But I'm here to tell you that it's not clickbait. I'm really going to teach you how to make money online as a college student or a high school student. So keep watching. Don't look at part-time retail jobs. Instead, consider these 6 legit ways to make money online as a college student or a high school student. But first of all, go now check the description box for more information and details and about everything I mentioned in the video. So let's do this. Social media manager. Most of us spend hours a week on social media anyway. Why not get paid for it? Every business uses social media, but managing it in-house is more expensive and the employee's time is better spent elsewhere. And that's where independently contracted social media managers come in. Social media managers help build brand awareness by calling content and building relationships with potential customers and bringing new leads. Your job is to be the online voice of the company. How do I get started as a social media manager? By approaching local businesses and telling them about your services. But start by reaching out businesses that you are already frequent with, like the yoga studio, coffee shop, boutiques, fast food, restaurants, etc. So focus on whatever social media platforms you are most comfortable with and think about how you can use it to grow their business and bring in new customers. How much does it pay? According to research, it pays from $15 to $60 per hour. So let's dive into the next one, blogging. If I could go back in time, I never had a blog, but I will. And I have a friend who started a blog in college and he taught me some tips about blogging. So he taught me that the key to making money as a blogger is to write content that provides value to your readers. So before you start a blog, choose a topic that you enjoy writing about and be specific. For example, if I were to start a blog today, my topics will be focused on helping, teaching and motivating teenagers. That's specific. Just look at it. Helping, teaching and motivating who? Teenagers. So I focus on helping, teaching and motivating teenagers. So focus on a niche for you to blow up in your blog. As they say it in marketing, if you speak to everyone, you speak to no one. So if you want to succeed as a blogger, you have to be specific. You can try targeting a particular group of people or a particular product. Just niche down to blow up. Okay, once you have your topic, write down 20 blog post ideas. But if you can't, call me, message me or leave a comment below and I will help you. So once you're ready to start your blog, the next step is to choose a host for your website. Actually, HostGator is a popular opinion and the one that popular bloggers recommend for beginner bloggers. It's not free. Plans start from $3 to $5 per month, but it's an essential for start. So I have a link to that on the description box below and on top of the screen right there, so that you can start your own blog and make money from it. How much does blogging pay? So according to research, it varies. Some bloggers like Timothy Skite, Pete Cashmore make like $100,000 per month. So if you want more information about this, go down now, check out the description box and you get more information about blogging tips. And this will lead us to our next thing, which is freelance writing. One inescapable truth about attending a university is that you are going to be writing more often and studying even more. Why not take these skills and put them to work for you as well? Freelance writers are always on the demand on the internet. If you have good grammatical skills and a desire to write, you can make it as a freelance writer. Just ask Holly Johnson. She went from working in a mortuary to making over $200,000 per year as a freelance writer. Yes, you heard me right. $200,000 per year. Freelance writing is a flexible and cool way to make money in college. And think about how cool it would be to be added to your resume, published in New York Times or something bigger than that. But listen, having an online presence in form of your own blog can help you land high-paying clients faster and can serve as a portfolio for your own work. Otherwise, you can get started as a freelance writer by picking up clients on Upwork. Description box below for more info about Upwork. So once you've got some works to show and testimonies to back you up, start pitching to jobs in pro blogger and freelance writing. Description box below also, check that out. How much does freelance writing pay? So according to research also, it pays from $50 to $500 per article. So if you would like to make money as a freelance writer, I have something for you in the description box below. Online tutor. So the best part that I like about tutoring is that you are reinforcing what you've already learned. So if you are tutoring a subject online, it's like getting paid to study. But if you need a breather from school, you don't have to stick to academic subjects. You can also tutor in your other areas of expertise, like an instrument or sport. Let me tell you one thing, online tutoring is one of the easiest, at the same time high-paying online jobs for college students. Your job is very simple. You tutor students all over the world via Skype or using Skype. You conduct various sections online on weekly or daily basis, with each section lasting 45 to 50 minutes. What are my potential earnings as an online tutor? It varies. Yes, it varies from company to company. For example, tutor.com is willing to offer you $15 to $40 per hour, while others may offer you $30 per hour for the same effort. So for more information, or if you want to sign up to the best online tutoring company, go now on the description box below. I have something for you, or click at the top of the screen right there. Welcome back. Did you notice something? I just changed my clothes and I changed the setting of my phone. So the next on the list is crafting. So what if you found a creative outlet that helps you relax and generate an income at the same time? That's what I'm telling you. You should try crafting. Hear me out. If you have a talent of crafting, or if you can make any craft, you can make lots of money from that. But if you can't, you can try making jewelries, poetries, anything. So that means if you're studying art in school, your craft could even be one of your studies. So once you've made something you're ready to sell, you can sell it on Amazon Handmade, you can sell it on eBay, you can sell it on Etsy, even at your locality. Just all you need to is search. Next on the list is a new one. Most of you guys have not heard about it. Do you know what it is? Amazon Mechanical Truck. M-Trunk or Amazon Mechanical Truck is one of the best online jobs for college students. I personally know some students who are crushing it when it comes to making money on M-Trunk. I really knew people, and I know people now. It's the last on my list because it's very easy. Okay, check out. You can find millions of short taxes that you can complete in 1 to 5 minutes and earn from $5 to $10 by completing each task. Just check out. You can just work for a minute and get $5. Wow, it sounds simple and great, and it's the best. You can work from 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on your time, and the more you work, the more you get paid. So if you want to join the Amazon M-Trunk as a worker, check the description box below. So guys, I know I've showed you guys the best online jobs for college students and high school students. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up because I've helped you. My work here is done, and my work is to help teach and motivate teenagers and students. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know on the comment section the best online jobs for college students. And I will see you next week. My name is Maxi Fred. Make sure you subscribe, please. I'm begging you, please subscribe, because, well, subscribe. I will see you next week. Peace, nation. I love you all.